What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Dial Home Tech. Today we're going to go over some awesome technology for under 50 bucks. This is going to be a new series on the channel where we're going to go over some cool stuff that's out there on the tech market that will cost you under a certain amount of money. And today we're going to kick it off for $50. So if you're looking to get some cool stuff that you're going to pay less than 50 bucks for, then check out this video and stay tuned for this. Alright, so let's kick it off with the LiteFlex Bulb. The LiteFlex Bulb is one of those smart bulbs that have been around the market for a little while now. They were a kickstart a long time ago, and they actually made some waves when they came into the market when people were looking into Philips Hue. And then LIFX came in saying that they were one of the smart bulbs with a lot of colors that did not need a hub to work. So if you're looking to get a bulb that does not require a hub so you can save some of that money there, the LIFX is an awesome option for you. The LiteFlex Bulb is an A19 size bulb which will fit most of the socket sizes that you have in your house. It also has a nice wide range in the whites, which will vary from 2500 Kelvin all the way to 9000 Kelvin. So you can get those really bright blue whites that you can get at the high end, as well as the really warm ones, almost yellowish on the lower end. So you can use the bulb on the white scale as well as the colored scale, which has about 16 million colors. It also has a life expectancy of about 22 years for standard use. So this bulb is gonna last you for a long time since you're making an investment of about $40 per bulb. When it comes to the app, I actually like the LIFX app a little bit better in some areas compared to the Philips Hue. It does give you a lot more presets than the Hue does, and some of the scenes are easier to create. The control over whites and colors are a little snappier, so you can get a more precise color or setting that you're looking for. And the app is a bit more intuitive when you're trying to group certain lights together. So if you are looking to pick up a really solid bulb for less than 50 bucks, definitely check out LIFX. Their bulbs are solid and they will last you for a long time. The next one on the list is the aurabox Bluetooth speaker for $39.99. This is a retro style pixel art speaker that will surely turn heads when it's on your setup. It is compatible with iOS and Android and supports third-party music applications. If you just want the speaker for some casual music listening beside your setup or a nice stand, the speaker will do a fine job with that. It's definitely not comparable to your Bose or Sonos-like speaker, but it does the job when it comes to just casual listening. Part of the device is actually the screen. It adds a lot of character to your setup, so it's really nice that you can select a lot of different presets, a lot of different images, and you can also do your own. I took a stab at doing a little bit of a Dial Home Tech motion there, wasn't successful, but the other ones are much better. The ones that are existing on the app let you select a lot of different things that will definitely add some character to your setup. So this is a wireless speaker, so you can take it with you if you're going somewhere. The battery life is claimed to be roughly about 6 hours, but that's without the use of the display. If you are using the display as well as the speaker, I would say that you can probably get about 2 to 3 hours. But that's about what you can get when you charge fully and take it with you on the go. It does have notification support, so if you pair it with your phone and you don't have your phone around you, you can actually see on a little display that you received a Facebook or an email or a Twitter notification, and you can check it on later. And last but not least, it does have a sleep aid support, so you can actually listen to a white noise preset or something like that if you're trying to go to sleep. The next one on the list is the Fifine K050 USB microphone for $17.99. You can get an awesome portable mic that will give you portability as well as quality when you're trying to record your audio or using for conferences. If you're somebody who's looking for an awesome quality USB portable microphone to take it on a go or start recording your YouTube or podcasts, the Fifine mic will do that just right for you. The mic is actually perfect for gaming, podcasting, and YouTube. dictation, or if you need to take it on the go with you without having to sacrifice the quality that you need by using your laptop built-in microphone. I'll give you guys a little bit of a sound test so that you can see what the mic sounds like. Alright, so this is what it would sound like if you guys are having the mic set up right in front of you, about a foot away from where you're speaking. So if you're gaming or using it for a conference call or something like that, this is about the distance where it would be on your desk. But if you're taking this on a trip and if you're traveling, you would probably set up right beside your laptop. So you still get a similar sound. So see, I'm kind of going to the side here, not speaking directionally. I'm just speaking, looking at the screen still. So you don't see a difference in the quality of the sound that you're getting. So this is really, really nice. So it packs a good amount of quality on such a portable microphone. As far as the spec goes, it does come with a 6.5 feet USB cable. It does have a mic cover foam for it, and it has a minimalistic look that can fit most setups. It does come in 4 different colors, in black, silver, blue, and rose red. So you can get any color you want to fit your setup, or to match your desktop, or to match your laptop, if you're taking these on a go. And the last one on the list is the Wyze Sense. For $19.99, you can pick up a little packet of sensors that you can adapt to your Wyze camera and expand the automation around your house as you need it. It does come with 3 sensors that you can add to your Wyze ecosystem. It has 2 open-close sensors and 1 motion sensor. The sensors are voice command enabled and are compatible with IFTTT. So if you already have the bulbs around your house, you can actually use the senses to trigger certain scenes with your bulbs depending on an action. The sensors work really well with the Wyze bulbs and the Wyze camera, so if you're already in that ecosystem, it's an awesome pickup for 20 bucks. You can add the open-close sensors to a door, a pantry, whatever you choose, even the cookie jar if you want to make sure that you know when people are going through that at night. It also does provide left open notifications, so if you have this on a particular door, you will know that that's left open for a while. If you're already on the Wyze ecosystem and are looking for additional control, utility, and security for a particular thing in your house, you can pick up these sensors and you won't be disappointed. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this series and you want to see more cool technology, please drop a like on the video. Also, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing for more content like this one where we talk about technology and home automation on a weekly basis. This about wraps it up. I'm gonna leave the links of the products right in the description for you to check it out. Also, if you haven't yet, please check me out on social media. You can find me at @DialHomeTech on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and of course here and on YouTube. I want to send a big shout out to all of you guys who helped me push over the line of 100 subscribers. We're there, we're continuing to grow, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, everyone. Well, that's about it. And until next time, I'm Dial. See you guys later.